So there's one more task that we need to know how to do with our Garmin Montana Model 680 for your class assignment, and that is I've given you several waypoints and you need to navigate to them. And I just gave those to you as UTM coordinates. I didn't give them to you already in your GPS unit. So you're going to have to enter those. So the home screen is here. We're going to get to the screen that we want by pressing this little arrow down here. Gets to the second home screen. And we're going to go to the Where To button. And it lists several things that we could go to. If we already had those in as waypoints, we could press that there. But we're going to enter specific coordinates. So we'll go to the bottom. And then it gives us our coordinates. Now I've got my coordinates that I'm going to enter on a piece of paper. And so I'm going to just press forward to move the cursor as we need to past 14. My coordinates are all in zone 14. That's something that you want to check. But my coordinates are all in zone 14. And that's eastern Nebraska. So then I'm going to start punching in the easting. So 0, 6, 9, 6, 6, 0, 9. Okay. 0, 6, 9, 6, 6, 0, 9. Nice to double check. And then the northing, the big number. How many meters north of the equator do I want to be in the end? 4. Oops. We're going to back up because I pressed a 7. But that's good. It shows us what to do if we make a mistake. 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. And I'll double check that. 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. That's what I want. So I'm going to press the check mark down here. And it's going to navigate to us. It should show us on the map that we're not on top of that right now. Shows us our accuracy, what our accuracy is at the moment, and where our elevation is and where we are right now. But it's kind of a crude way just to try to walk and make that line get smaller. So we're going to leave this screen. We're still in navigation mode, but we're going to leave the map by pressing that X, and we're going to go to the compass page. For that, we need to go back to the first home screen, so we'll press this little arrow, and there's compass. So we're going to press the compass. And now it tells us how far we are from that that we've just pressed in. So I'm almost 3 kilometers away because I'm near my house, and that's on East Campus. So I'm 3 kilometers away, but it tells me where to start walking. It tells me I need to start going that way. Now, depending on the unit that you check out, you may get a calibration notice where you have to hold down on that compass and go through some very easy things that the unit will tell you to do to calibrate it. And you can see, because I'm standing still right now, it's a little lost if I just move it barely. But once you start walking, this will get much more precise. So because I'm kind of tied because of the camera right now, I can't really do anything. But that will, if I start walking in the original direction that it was pointed, that indeed will start to work. And so you just need to walk until this says that you're 0 meters away from that point. And you'll know that you've arrived at the point. You can check it by going back to the home screen, and you can check and see if your coordinates are actually matching the waypoint that you've entered. All right. Now, when you're ready to go to a second one, after you answer the quiz question about this one, we'll need to go back to the second one. And I just wanted to show you, when you go to click Where To and do the next one, it's still coordinating to the waypoint that you originally had, even though you may be there. It's not like your phone. It doesn't know that you've arrived. It is just going to still be coordinating and telling you how far away you are from the point, from that waypoint. So you need to say find another, and then type in coordinates, and punch in your new coordinates. So that's how you find your way to the next waypoint.